Toast 400 grams sunflower seeds in a pan until golden brown. Transfer the roasted sunflower seeds to a blender and grind them. Take 50 grams egg whites. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon powdered sugar. Beat with a mixer until fluffy.
Add 200 grams sugar and 55 milliliters water to a thick-bottomed saucepan.
Cook the syrup until it becomes slightly thick and sticky. While mixing, slowly pour the syrup into the egg whites in a thin stream. Add the ground sunflower seeds and mix thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a mold lined with plastic wrap, pressing it down firmly. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours until fully set. After 2 hours, remove from the fridge and take it out of the mold. Slice and enjoy this delicious homemade dessert made with natural ingredients.
Subscribe, like, and enjoy your meal.